morning everyone. So this is Filipina Beauty Channel. So for today's video, we're going to Cebu City. So right now we're just packing everything and we're just done packing. And we're gonna go to the pier, to Tagbilaran. Then after that, so we're gonna stay 4 days in Cebu City. And I'm so super excited for my upcoming birthday celebration this coming July 18. So that's for today's video, guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and share.
As you can see, this is the room we checked in Aveda Reala IT Park. Actually, this is Tower 1. Oh no, this is Tower 3. As you can see, that's the view outside. And there's another view. As you can see the pool there and the other buildings. And this has one bedroom.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
So guys, I didn't expect them to that they will sing a happy birthday to me. So when I just arrived there, I was shocked. They singing a happy birthday on me, and I was like, oh, so cute. As you can see, that's the partial happy birthday. That's my neighborhood. They have a business, catering business there, and they're the one I ordered the food.
So, Bicol Express, kani, apritada? Oh. Apritada, kani? Minuto.
Bami.
Pansit bami.
Kinsa kiniti kalimut ko.
Tarang beef, beef steak, chicken, then spring roll. Then, of course, the rice. Nasa pasguwa. Then, ang inasa mo niya ang lechon.
So as of now, they deliver the food. They're preparing everything, and I couldn't get the video. I have a hard time because the mini DJI I get is really I couldn't download it on my phone. The video is not supported, so I just take a video on my phone and record it. As you can see, we have a small space in the house, so many visitors really celebrating my birthday, so I'm so happy. As you can see there, I'm just designing my own birthday decoration, and we have hard time to do it because it's so hot there, and then no electricity because it's brand out, and it taking so time, and that balloon is so big. As you can see, it's red and blue. It's a good combination. There, me and my friend having chika chika. They also visited and invited them to my.
It's been a while good nga wala mi nakauban sa akong mga friends since high school day na mo. Kay busy man pud sila. They are very busy on their life and me also. So there, I set aside a food, cake, and everything because for sure, only 1 minute or only 5 minutes the food will be gone. So set aside that. So ara. So nito nga na sila mga alas 4 na. And then so dira akong anak kay nag-iyag yung gi. As you can see guys, mao na ang designs sa akong birthday. Simple lang kay moro gihapon tanggalon. So ana little princess kay ko diha red with a crown. So nag-deliver na nila ang food while waiting. Mga alas 2 naman siguro na supposed to be that is for the lunch ang food, but since nadugay mi kay daghan mi gipang process, so ako gyud nagipang handaan. So di ba happy kay sila kita sila nako. Ay, thank you Lord. So mao na guys, dressing gatalikod nam ko tambuka naman ako ani. Ay, kinahanglan ako magpa-reduce ako ang weight. O ako mangon tagaan siya money kay magpalit na siya og tubig nga mainom kanang mineral nya. Pagbalik niya guys, wa may tubig na hotda na pa may katunga, so mao na lagi hatag As you can see, na simple ra sa kalitsyon, 7 side dish with drinks and beers. So I will narrate when did I started to plan my birthday. I think July
But you haven't posted your birthday yet?
16 or July 15. So I was thinking to celebrate my birthday. It's either Bohol or Cebu, and I'm still couldn't figure out where. So finally on 16, I decided that I will celebrate my birthday in Cebu City. So mao to guys, gi-celebrate na mo. Then namalit ko sa Ayala Center Mall, black sa IT Park og mga birthday decoration. So and then also namay ko cake and nagpa-cater ko. So silingan ra na mo. So akong ikuan ang mga birthday expenses guys. So nag-order di ako og set nga cater. Ni-cost na siya og 20,000 total together with the beer, soft drinks, and 4 case na siya nga soft drinks. The 1 case of beer lang sa kay gamay raman ang mga inom sa amo. Onya, before day sa akong birthday guys, nagplan po ko nga magkuan kog photoshoot, makeup, hairstyle, then namalit ko flower and cake. So ang nagasto na ko sa photoshoot, makeup, hairstyle, and flower and cake is total siya og 5,000 sa photoshoot, makeup, hairstyle. Then sa flower is 1,600. Then sa cake is tanan cake is 2,467. Nya sa mga decoration, sa birthday decoration nga akong gikuan, so ni total na siya 5,061. And then kay tomorrow naman akong birthday, July 17, nagpapampering ko guys, nagpapampering. So ang akong nagasto guys sa pampering nako guys kay 6,800. And then sa treats nako guys, kay nyatag ko og 2,000. Anya natag kog birthday money sa ako ang duha ka brothers, so ni kuan siya 1,000 tag 500 each. Kay so ang total nga akong nagasto sa birthday expenses guys is 42,928. Then with my own money also nga 18,928. So mao to guys, mao to mga birthday expenses nako. Unya grabe kanindot sa akong birthday guys, kay bisag simple, basta happy, then nakulangan sa pagkaon guys, kay daghan kay pog silingan. So at least man lang nakakaon sila. So maayo to guys, thank you for watching.